Set custom notifications for text message. Go to your phone settings. In phone settings, scroll down and tap on notifications. Tap on advanced settings. Go down and enable this option, manage notification categories for each app. After that, go back to your message app. Tap on your profile photo. Here, tap on message settings. Tap on notifications. Make sure to allow notifications for your message app and then tap on notification categories. And here I'm selecting incoming messages. Tap on sound. Now you can easily go ahead and choose a different or custom notification sound for your text message. Here's another way to do it. All you have to need, go to your phone settings. In phone settings, scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on apps. In here, go down and find out your message app. Just tap on your message app. Tap on notification. Allow notification. Tap on notification categories. Select any of the notification option, sound, and now you can go ahead and select a different notification sound for your text message.